Application for a part-time job at a Golden Wisdom Temple spiritual exercise. Nowadays, they try to give people part-time jobs to deny them stuff. You know, the Eck Dream 2 Discourses by Harold Klemp has a spiritual exercise of Eck for the 27th month in Eckankar on its 63rd page. Go to a temple of golden wisdom and apply for a part-time job. In your contemplative imagining, are you really any more use when you project in secret like that? Does imagining that you were working bring enjoyment to interplane projection? Well, maybe it gets you used to the idea of working. Because certainly one of the problems that we have right now as I'm recording this is people not working, and that means that stuff isn't available, and it prevents other people from working because that stuff wasn't available. You know, it's part of a whole system. If you can, you work how as you can, right? Huge.